The month of February has been an excellent month for this channel. Picked up 120 subscribers. Normally I do about 50 a month. And a lot of new faces in the comments, mainly on my van videos, which is my favorite thing to talk about. So I want to give a shout out to Apocalyptic Minister. We've been interacting in the comments about retro gaming, and the reason why I want to make this video is because he says he's considering a truck or a van for off-grid stuff. When people tell me that, I'm going to try to sell the idea of a van to you. One of the most flattering things I get is when people message me and tell me that I inspired them to do a van build. So I gotta talk about that. This is my Neo Geo Mini and my Turbo Mini. Put these on my Amazon wish list and my girlfriend got these for me. These are perfect for retro gaming in a van. The reason why I wanted a Turbo Mini was for this game right here. Dracula X. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with how much that game costs if you get the authentic copy. I'm a huge Castlevania fan. Here's part 3 right here just laying around. But here's what happened. As much as and it's a great game. You can't go wrong with any Castlevania game. I've been wanting to play that for a long time, but this game right here is the star of the show. I ended up liking this game more than Dracula X. It's actually one of my favorite games of all time now. So check this out. I got this running off of my power station. Under 20 watts. This is a 10-year-old TV. Want to see the Asian in me? I take my shoes off in my van. My girlfriend has to take off her shoes too. Probably annoys her. So, when we were chit-chatting about vans versus trucks, you said that in a van, you could just kick back. That's what I'm going to do right now. There you go, man. Kicking back in my van with an actual TV. So, this is surprising. This TV is 10 years old. It's a 19-inch. I want to say I paid $150 for it. What's $150 buy you now? Like a 30-inch? But I can't get rid of it. It still works. You know how electronics are so disposable now? I'm surprised it still works. And you know how hot it gets in a vehicle, how cold it gets in a vehicle, and this has lasted in the extreme hot and extreme colds. Can't get rid of it. I'll get a bigger TV once this fails. Here's my other mini console. I like this a lot. And this runs 2 watts. So I like this a lot because the screen's built in. I lost my little mini HDMI cable for it. I gotta get another one so I could actually play it on a real TV again. But the joystick actually works. That's really cool. It's more of a novelty. It's hard to play with this, but you could hook up 2 controllers to it, and lots of good games in here. The Metal Slug games, Magician Lord, that's an excellent game. I remember that in Pizza Hut. I'm going to show you the winner of this collection. Here's the winner of the collection of games in the Neo Geo Mini. You're probably going to figure out what my favorite genre is. Blazing Star. Yeah, this game's fun. So I got Blazing Star and Soldier Blade. Let me turn this up. This thing's actually kind of loud. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I do like that, how you could play it on a real TV. You could play with the little joystick, but yeah, I play with the controller and I hook it up to the TV. But the screen is big enough to play off of this, so that's really cool. So Neo Geo, TurboGrafx 16, No shoes in my van. This thing's clean. I don't know. I have OCD about cleanliness, except it's kind of messy up there. Forget I said that. So yeah, Apocalyptic Minister, man. Everyone who stops by in the comments, man, this is my favorite part about YouTube, like interacting with you guys. If I happen to inspire you, get you hyped about something, hey, that's cool too, man. See, Apocalyptic, man, you got me talking about retro gaming again. See, it doesn't matter to me. View count doesn't matter to me. If one person likes any video I do and I get a request, I'm going to talk about it, man. So you got me breaking out the retro games again. You got me wanting to visit a retro gaming store last week. I should go back. If you remember last week's video, I had 2 copies of that game right there, Mike Tyson's Punch-Out, and I traded it in. I wonder how much they marked it up for. I should stop by real quick right now. All right, everyone. I appreciate the interaction. I appreciate the support. It's a lot of fun for me, man.